Tankless water heaters provide endless hot water on demand, saving you time and energy. With Phoenix's hot climate, efficiency matters. Tankless systems use less energy and lower utility bills. Say goodbye to bulky tanks and hello to more space with a compact, wall-mounted design. Traditional water heaters waste energy keeping water hot all day, but tankless units heat only when needed. Springs Plumbing specializes in expert tankless water heater installation and service. Our skilled technicians ensure seamless installation for maximum performance and longevity. Enjoy instant hot water for showers, dishes, and laundry. No more waiting for the tank to refill. Tankless systems last longer than traditional water heaters, making them a smart investment. Hard water in Phoenix can impact performance, but our maintenance services keep your system running smoothly. We work with top brands to provide high-quality, durable tankless water heaters. Whether upgrading your home or replacing an old unit, we have the right solution for you. Concerned about cost? We offer financing options to make the switch easier. Customer satisfaction is our priority, with reliable service and upfront pricing. Available 24/7 for emergency repairs, because we know hot water is essential. Call Springs Plumbing today at 480-265-6936 for a free consultation. Visit www.springsplumbingaz.com to learn more and schedule your appointment.